Greetings to the honorable judges. My name is Khadijah with Zullkifle. Today, I will present to you about my multifunction contemporary woman buckle inspired by Malay traditional pending. As we know, Malay culture and heritage are increasingly forgotten. The one I want to highlight is Malay traditional pending. According to an article by Siti Roda Isa, Arba'iyah Abdul Aziz and Mulyadi Muhammad 2018, state that many generations nowadays do not know what are actually the function and the uses of the Malay traditional pending. In addition, these are the other articles and news about this issue. I have conducted an online survey about Malay traditional pending. There are 94 respondents and majority of them are academicians, government sectors, private sector and so on. 60 of them are 18 to 24 years old. I can conclude that most of my respondents are the young generations. The result for my survey state that almost 70% of my respondents did not know about the pending. Surprisingly, only 18% of them know the meaning and the function of the pending. After giving information about the pending, almost 97% respondents agreed that pending can be used in our daily life. Thus, to overcome this issue, I took the opportunity to apply the features of Malay traditional pending in fashion accessories design. I want to reintroduce and preserve the Malay traditional pending to the young generation in Malaysia. This is my multifunction woman buckle. The size of this beautiful woman buckle is 8 cm x 6 cm and the weight is 4 mm. This multifunction woman buckle has another two functions, which are the hidden headcomb and the magnetic pendant. This is how it works. I undergo the design process, which are study drawing, study form, idea development, development of design, design proposal, design refinement, and last but not least, the final design. I have made some research on existing products to make sure that my design is original and unique. These are the estimation of product costing. There are two types of material, which are gold and silver. For the gold, the selling price is 12,583 ringgit. And for the silver is 1,075 ringgit. The next is prototype making process. My buckle design can be worn with the variety of clothes. The combination of organic and geometric shape make the buckle looks contemporary, thus it's suitable for the young generation. That's all for me. Thank you.